Ile rege ikaenda kwa kupumzika.
Public rallies and social gatherings have in the recent past been witnessed, with politicians keen on addressing their followers whenever they deem fit. However, one key element that has thrown the government into banning social gatherings has not been considered: the element of social distancing and people in public gatherings expected to put on masks. Health CAS Mwangangi has once again urged the public to avoid social gatherings during this period where COVID-19 is still real, citing that nobody is forced to attend gatherings.
Nobody forces you to be in that gathering. Nobody forces you to be able to congregate into a group. Remember, personal responsibility is absolutely crucial. And so if you're going to be in any space where you feel that social and physical distancing cannot be maintained, then you need to be masking.
Mwangangi affirmed that the public should adhere to the personal responsibility, since staying safe starts with an individual. The CAS pointed out that she has witnessed people hugging and not maintaining social distancing, one of the many ways one can get the virus.
We should avoid some common practices that we've seen returning back. We've seen people gathering together, we've seen them wearing masks, which is commendable, but now we're seeing people shaking hands, and really, having that close contact in terms of hugs and shaking hands. We continue to ask for the maintenance of social and physical distancing in that regard.
The country on Monday recorded one of the lowest figures in recent months after the Health Ministry confirmed 48 new COVID-19 cases. This comes as 176 patients recovered from the disease, to push the recovery tally to 23,242. According to Acting Health Director General Dr. Patrick Amoth, the country's recovery rate is at 64% compared to the global rate at 72%.
Remember, as a country, we are at the forefront implementing home-based isolation and care, and therefore we must get data from the lowest level, and that is the community level. So sometimes reporting lags behind, and therefore you could say that our reporting rate or our recovery rate is lower than the global. But I believe if we get the reporting correct from all the communities, then our recovery rate will match the global.
The Ministry of Health also said there 2 deaths were recorded from the virus in the past 24 hours, with the death toll now standing at 624. Dana Rose, K24.